I think everybody in here needs some more haters. What you think? Let's do it. Listen to me for a second, please. If you think they don't like me now, then wait until they see me later. You can't hold me down, 'cause I accumulate more haters. Business entertainment. I say my swag turned up all the way to the max, and if I can turn it up some more, guess I probably do that. I accumulate more haters than any nigga that you seen at ABENP. Two hustlers fresh up on the scene.